Hey guys, thanks for coming back again to UltFone channel. If you're watching this video, you definitely are looking for a Pokemon Go hack. And trust me, this video is gonna be a great assistance, so do watch it till the end. Today I'm going to talk about two most effective ways that helps you with Pokemon Go spoofing on iPhone. Way 1, make use of iPoGo. Many of you might have heard about iPoGo. If not, it is an app that allows you to teleport your trainer anywhere you want, or move it via joystick, eventually enabling you to catch more desired Pokemons. Despite iPoGo works efficiently, you must understand that every app has its share of disadvantages. And iPoGo is no exception. Having said that, iPoGo is not available on Apple Store and hence needs to be downloaded from an unknown or third-party source. The third-party sources are not secured and therefore, questions hover over the reliability. Also, the setup process is extremely lengthy and complicated, even pro users find it a tiresome task. Lastly, it is no longer available for free, and all the worse, there is no free trial offered to trust the efficacy of the app. Way 2, how to spoof location on iPhone easily and efficiently. Here I am introducing a more reliable and safe tool, UltFone iOS Location Changer, to spoof location on iPhone, and that too without jailbreak. Be it teleporting or simulation between two or multiple spots, this tool has got your back. To use this, here's what you need to do. First, download UltFone iOS Location Changer and launch it on your computer. Then please check the disclaimer and hit on Enter to proceed. Now get your Apple cable and connect your iPhone with your computer. Ensure to unlock your iPhone and trust the PC. You will be redirected on the map screen where you can search the location or GPS coordinates you wish to teleport to. Or you can also pinpoint the location on the map. Next, check the location information on the left panel, and once you're satisfied, click on Start to modify. And you're done. You can now open Pokemon Go app on your iPhone and enjoy catching more new Pokemons from your new modified virtual location. Unlike iPoGo, what works in your favor with UltFone iOS Location Changer is that it enables you to bypass geological restrictions and access the all geo-blocked content over the web. Moreover, it offers 2 free trial for each new user. Cool, isn't it? That's all for today, guys. If this video helped you, do support us by hitting like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more such interesting topics in future. Thank you for watching.